English word nghĩa tiếng Việt. Example, withholding vô cảm khâu cảnh tài chính. Withholding. 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 Khấu trừ thuế. Khấu trừ thuế. The company applied a withholding tax on the dividends. Prorated. Tính theo tỷ lệ. Tính theo tỷ lệ. The employee's bonus was prorated based on the months worked. Augment. Augment. Tăng cường. The company augmented its capital to support new investments. Susceptible. Dễ bị ảnh hưởng. Dễ bị ảnh hưởng. The firm is susceptible to market fluctuations due to its exposure to foreign currency. Adverse. Bất lợi. Adverse market conditions led to a decline in stock prices. Virtual. Ảo đích công nghệ. The bank offers virtual credit cards to increase security in online transactions. Impute. Gan cho quy kết. The regulator imputed the losses to poor management decisions. Petition. Đơn yêu cầu phá sản, bảo vệ tài sản. Đơn yêu cầu phá sản, bảo vệ tài sản. The company filed a petition for bankruptcy due to mounting debts. Syndicate. Tập đoàn tài chính. The loan was underwritten by a syndicate of banks. Credit facility. Cơ sở tín dụng. The company secured a $50 million credit facility to fund its expansion. Roadshows. Hội thảo kêu gọi đầu tư. The investment team held several roadshows to attract potential investors. Circular. Thông tư tài chính hướng dẫn. The central bank issued a new circular on lending regulations. Outbreak. Bùng phát, ảnh hưởng tài chính. The outbreak of the pandemic severely impacted global financial markets. Enact, ban hành luật. The government enacted new tax reforms to stimulate the economy. Municipal bonds. Trifiodothi. Investors often buy municipal bonds for their tax advantages. Modest. Khiêm tốn, tăng trưởng. Lợi nhuận. The company reported modest growth in the last quarter. Revolvers. Khoản vay quay vòng. The revolver loan allows the company to borrow up to $10 million over 5 years. Drawdown. Giải ngân vốn vay. The first drawdown of the loan was used to purchase new equipment. Custody. Chứng khoán. Lưu ký, chứng khoán. The bank provides custody services for institutional investors. Legitimate. Hợp pháp. The company's operations are legitimate and comply with local laws. Opaque. Không minh bạch. The firm's financial statements were criticized for being opaque and difficult to understand. Suspicious. Nghi ngờ, giao dịch bất thường. The bank flagged the transaction as suspicious due to its large and unusual size. Emerges from bankruptcy. Thoát khỏi tình trạng phá sản. The company successfully emerges from bankruptcy after restructuring its debts. Secular. Đại hạn, xu hướng thị trường. The market is experiencing secular growth in the technology sector. Diminish, giảm bớt, suy giảm. The company's profits diminished after the new tax regulations were introduced. Claimants, người yêu cầu, bên đòi nợ. The claimants in the bankruptcy case sought to recover their investments. Fair, làm ăn, hoạt động kinh doanh. The company fared well in the third quarter despite economic challenges. Obligor, bên vay, bên có nghĩa vụ trả nợ. The obligor failed to make the necessary payments on the loan. Notching, hạ bậc, xếp hạng tín dụng. The credit rating agency applied notching to the company's bonds due to its high debt level. Subside, lắng xuống, thị trường giá cả. After the initial panic, the volatility in the market subsided. Resumption. Tiếp tục hoạt động. The resumption of trading on the stock exchange brought some relief to investors. Upstreamed, chuyển lợi nhuận lên công ty mẹ. Profits from the subsidiary were upstreamed to the parent company. Transitory, tạm thời, ngắn hạn. The inflation was considered transitory, linked to supply chain disruptions. Netting risk, rủi ro đối trừ. Netting risk arises when offsetting positions may not be honored in a default. Mounted. Tăng lên, chi phí, nợ nần. The company's expenses mounted as it expanded into new markets. Prevailing, hiện hành, giá cả, lãi suất. The loan was issued at the prevailing interest rate of 5%. Go well, diễn ra suôn sẻ. The initial public offering went well with strong investor demand. Stagger, sắp xếp theo giai đoạn, trả nợ, phát hành trái phiếu. The company decided to stagger its bond issuance over the next 3 years. Grace, thời gian ân hạn, trả nợ. The borrower was given a sec-month grace period before payments were due. Shrank, co lại, giảm sút. The company's market share shrank after new competitors entered the market. Hy vọng bảng trên giúp bạn nắm rõ hơn về các từ vựng liên quan đến tài chính.